What's up, everybody? Cameron Perez here, welcoming you back to another start of another project. So let's show you what it's gonna, or what it looks like now, and then we'll show you what it looks like afterwards. All right, so we have another blank canvas. We're gonna tear out all of this spot, put our reservoir here, and then we're going up the hill approximately 8 feet. I'm gonna do a nice clean pondless waterfall. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back, everybody. Cameron Perez here from the Great Oasis, wrapping up a beautiful pondless water feature. Come check it out. Check out this beautiful pondless water feature. Just kicked it on earlier this morning. The water is crystal clear. Wow, talk about a transformation. This is spectacular. From just a plain little hillside with some rocks, a few plants, now to this.